Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand how the indent feature in SolidWorks function. Let's start. File, new, part, this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white unit system. From the bottom I am selecting millimeter gram second. You can select any another system as per your requirement. Top plane, this one sketch. Actually, I will create a emboss forming tool with the help of an indent feature in SolidWorks. Okay, top plane. First, I am creating a simple model of sheet in the sheet metal. Circle, this one. This die I am taking 60 mm only. This one. Okay. Now, out sheet metal base flange 1 mm thickness. Dimension is going downward. You can reverse from here, but I am taking downward direction. Okay, this one K factor 0.5, relief is 0.5. I will not use any relief ratio in this. Okay, actually I will create a emboss forming tool with the help of an indent feature. Okay, this one. Now I am selecting this face, sketch. I am drawing normal, this one. I am drawing a circle here, this one. This die of circle I am taking 40 mm only, 14 mm only. This 14 mm. Okay, and this one feature extrude boss base, link to thickness. Link to the thickness, draft angle 45 degree inward, and but direction you reverse from here. Reverse this one in this way. And hit right button. Option link to thickness, merge rel 45 degree draft angle inside. Okay, this one. This is unmerge. Sorry, unmerge. I have to unmerge this one. Link to thickness, unmerge 45 degrees and hold it. Now you will see the feature tree manager. There are the two body. One is the base flange, another is the cut. This feature. Okay, right click on this one, isolate. Now select this face, sketch, normal. I am drawing a center circle here, this one. This it should be more than this one. Okay, and dimension of this one I am taking 20 mm only. You can, in order to make the fully defined the sketch, give the proper dimension 20 mm, this one, and right button. Okay, and again future extrude boss base. This time in this direction, link to thickness, merge rel. This time merge rel. Check merge rel, link to thickness. Only this one, and hit this one. And this one. Now in the fillet, select the multi-radius fillet, and fillet select this one, multi-radius, this one, and this edge. Okay, and click on this in this message. This is 2 mm and this is 1 mm. This is 1 mm. And hit the right button. Okay, and this one, and isolate it. This one. Okay. Now go insert feature and indent feature. You can also search from here. You can also in the search bar, system will take you at the to the required command. Okay, target body is this one. Tool body is this one. Okay, remove selection, and this depth I am taking 1 mm only. This one. Okay, depth I am taking 1 mm only. Target body is this one, tool body is this one, and depth is 1 mm. Remove selection, this option, and hit right button, this one. Okay, now you go in the direct editing, delete body, this one, this body, delete it, this one. So in this way, emboss feature is created in this way with the help of a indent feature. Now in order to complete, we can make a hole here. Select this face, sketch, sketch normal, give dia as per your requirement. I am giving the dia only 8 mm here. This one, and this is 8 mm, and future extrude cut here, this one, link to thickness. Okay, this one. This is the created. You will see. So with the help of Indent feature, I have created a forming tool, emboss feature, emboss, forming emboss feature. Okay. Now I can give the appearance here, this one, appearance, and this one, this appearance. Now I take another example. Now I am taking another example. File, new, part, this one. Okay. Plane wide unit system, same unit system, millimeter grounds. This time I am taking front plane. I am making another model, and I will use indent feature, same feature. Okay. This one I am draw a line here. This one, the line passing through this origin. Right click, make a relation, this one, point, and this line, midpoint relation. Give the dimension I am giving 100 mm only. This one. Now, okay, future sweep boss base. Sweep boss base, this option, circular profile. This one, this dia I am taking only 4 mm only. Okay, this one. And hit right button. This is a profile I have made. Now again front plane. Front plane, this is the plane. Okay, I am drawing a center line here. Center line is very useful in order to make it for the conveniency of the sketch. Okay, this one. Now draw a line here. This one, this, and this one. This dimension from here to here, I am taking 30 mm only. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 10 mm only. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 50 mm only. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now future revolve boss base. System is asking, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Yes, this one. This is revolve feature. But I am unmerging this one because I will make a mirror. This one, now again fillet, constant radius fillet. This time I am taking 10 mm, this edge selected, and this is the. Now I will make a mirror of this one. Future mirror, right plane, this one. Right plane. Okay, fillet and selecting this one. No, body, you have to select body, this one. Body, this one, this body. Okay, and right button. This is created. Now I will make a hole in these two bodies with the help of an indent feature. How I can do this thing? I will create a hole in these two bodies separately using the indent feature. So insert, future, indent feature, this one. Target body is this one, target body is this one, selected. Tool body, this one. But this time use this cut option. Okay, and this indent. Okay, right click, isolate it, this one. You will see the hole is been this one. Now same thing. Now I will make the hole in this part. How? Same. Insert, future, indent, this one indent, and target body, this one. This time I am taking this one. You can't select both in a single time. Okay, I am taking target body, this one, tool body, this one. Actually this body is penetrating in this one. Okay, so option, select this option, cut body, and hit right button. This one, right clicks, isolate it. This one, you will see this way. So in this way you can make the may use the indent feature and make operate the required operations with the help of this. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.